watch me in real life use Supered for a real use case. So I'm documenting and training on how Supered, how we sell, how we deal with clients. One of the things we do is we use a platform called perfectgift.com by Wolf to send out thank you gifts, for referrals, for whatever. Okay. So this is not HubSpot. This is another platform, another URL. I've created a guide on how do you do this. Check this out. If I hit guide me, look at what is happening. Let me just make my face small. It is highlighting for the rep or the user where to click. And the screen moved by itself down to select. And then now it's telling me once that is loading, do the next thing. And the screen moved by itself down to click the next thing, enter the amount, do 1, enter the value, put 50, hit continue to shipping. Do you see what is happening? This is not HubSpot. This is a platform that we use inside of HubSpot, which is our business process. And Supered operationalizes and guides across a business process. We just happen to like HubSpot a lot. That is Supered.